An interesting point there is that if you're out in the waters and you're in a boat and it has a mast or a tall object, stay away from that. Get as low as you can in the boat. If the boat is going to be a hit, it's going to hit the taller object, right. And try to take all your jewelry off too. You don't want to have that on you because it can side flash at times. We have had a lot of lightning today. We had a lot of great photos too. This is the ABC 7 tower cam showing this line of storms moving to the northwest. Although it's breaking up, there's still some pretty heavy rainfall around. Pretty fascinating shots have been sent into ABC 7 and again mysuncoast.com. We'll go to those right now. This is from the Venetian. Anthony Alberon getting this photo right near I-75 near Laurel Road. That is a pretty nice shot of that storm, which is moving through right now across parts of west central Florida. Boy, the rainfall estimates. This is from the last 5 days now, and I want to show you some bullseyes with some heavy rainfall. These are estimates. Had some folks call up near State Road 64 and Manatee Avenue in Bradenton, all the way to west of downtown. They've had 6.5 inches there, so these aren't right as accurate as you can get, but pretty close to it. Nokomis, Venice, all the way up to near Osprey. Look at that, 7.1 inches. This is the past 5 days since Friday. Had some very heavy rainfall, and here in Manatee County, near State Road 64 and I-75 near Heritage Harbor, Upper Manatee River Road there, that also over 6 inches of rainfall, and could be more in some isolated areas. Obviously, the radar can't get everything, but boy, the radar was very active earlier today. Most of those storms are off in the Gulf, pushing off to the northwest. Still a line moving off to the north. This one basically now is shifting northward. This one moving to the northwest. It broke up right around Venice. It was rather heavy, as you can see, just about an hour ago in Northport, also into Inglewood, Port Charlotte, and Punta Gorda. That has now shifted off to the northwest, but notice still some lightning around and occurring even outside that heavy rainfall, so keep that in mind. It's going to be a very active holiday weekend too, with afternoon storms around. This one headed to and toward Mayaca City. So the forecast tonight does still call for little pieces of energy, a chance for a few scattered showers around. Nothing like we've seen this afternoon, but there'll still be a few up until around 8 o'clock, and then we do it all over again tomorrow afternoon. Showers and storms. There's not going to be much of a sea breeze because of that southeasterly wind, but we will still see a good chance for scattered storms each and every afternoon on Saturday, Sunday, and I think more so come Monday and Tuesday as a tropical wave and some tropical moisture moves in a little bit more so. From this system right here, the Hurricane Center now watching it, 10% chance developing into the next tropical depression or storm as it makes its way to the west-northwest. A lot of deep convection there. You can see from the color-enhanced satellite imagery over the past 12 hours an explosion of storms, but there's nothing organized in a centralized area at this point. So it's still just a line of low pressure. There's some very warm water out ahead of it, so we'll have to watch it closely. This one is going to become Florence. This is off the coast of Africa, and the forecast models all take it into the north central Atlantic, so it'll be a concern, I think, for mainly shipping interest. It is moving to the west at 9, winds are at 30 miles an hour. And it is expected to become a hurricane category 1 and move into the north central Atlantic in the next 5 days. So it should not be a big factor there. So we'll keep an eye on that for you as well. We have some clouds around at the airport. It's 78 degrees. Temperatures actually warmed up since the rain we had about 2 hours ago. 89 the high despite the clouds and showers. We had some sunshine in the morning, and we've had a lot of sunshine in the morning and early afternoon as of late. 47/100ths of an inch of rainfall at the airport. We're still below average, at least at the airport. Nearly 4.5 inches. The forecast tomorrow does call for sunshine in the morning. I mentioned drop-off will be okay for the kids' pickup. Maybe a different story with storms expected. For boaters tomorrow, winds will be a bit stronger out of the southeast and south at 15 knots, subsiding to 5 to 10 in the afternoon. A moderate chop on the bays and inland waters. The extended forecast then each and every day, showers and storms mainly in the afternoon and evening, although that may be a little different come Monday and Tuesday. We could see some morning storms as well due to that increase in moisture from that tropical wave now, it looks like.